Hey, I'm Mark Montano. We're here at Creativation 2018 at the DecoArt booth, and I'm going to show you all the new amazing products that DecoArt's come up with for 2018. Are you ready? Come on. I know you've heard of the paint pouring trend, and I know it's not always that easy to get great results. Until now, DecoArt has developed a pouring medium that will give you perfect results every single time. So all you do is mix the pouring medium with your paints and you can create amazing marble effects like a pro. After you're done with that beautiful marble painting, you're going to want to give it a high gloss lacquer finish. And DecoArt has the perfect product for it. It's called Clear Pouring Top Coat. It gives that super shiny lacquer feel to almost anything. Your journal pages, your paintings, you name it. It won't yellow, it doesn't bubble, you just pour it right on and let it dry. Finally, there is a terrific paint for your shoes, purses, belts, all of your accessories. Now, a lot of times paints will chip off, peel, and crack, but DecoArt has made DecoArt Stylin'. This is terrific. You want to change the color of a belt, you want to spruce up some shoes, you want to paint a big heart on your bag for Valentine's Day, this is the paint for you. If you're tired of mixing your acrylic paints with the texture medium, you don't have to do that anymore. DecoArt has made a heavy-bodied dimensional paint called Americana Decor Texture. Comes in a ton of different colors. You can use it on furniture, you can use it with stencils, you can do all kinds of things with it. Just take it out with a palette knife and scoop it on, and you've got some amazing color and beautiful texture. Metallics are still super hot, but the trend is mixing them with different finishes. DecoArt's come up with a beautiful matte metallic. It's really sophisticated. This paint is perfect for both your craft projects and your home decor projects. It comes in an 8-ounce jar and a 2-ounce bottle. For all of you artists out there, I know that tube acrylics can be really expensive, but DecoArt's created a medium-bodied tube acrylic that is super affordable. I've used it, I love this stuff. It is comparable to everything out there on the market. You're gonna love this paint. DecoArt launched Curb Appeal last year because there was a huge trend with people painting their front doors in bright colors. Well, now people are painting their interior doors in super bright colors, and Curb Appeal is perfect for this. One of my favorite parts of Creativation is seeing the new Americana acrylic colors that DecoArt has come up with. And they've come up with 15 new colors this year. These are just a couple of my favorites. This is the first time I'm seeing them. Look at this beautiful thicket green. I love it. I love it has a little bit of blue in it. There's some wild berry, morning mist, and this periwinkle. That is a perfect periwinkle. I can hardly wait to use these colors. Sometimes it's hard to get that real extreme metallic sheen. Not anymore. DecoArt has extreme sheen. I've used this paint. It's perfect. It gives you that beautiful metallic finish. It has tons of mica in it. It's unlike anything else on the market. Last but not least, we have the Americana Decor Home Decor program. Now, anything that you need to do around the house, from painting your mailbox, maybe some outdoor window boxes, a front door, you can do it with the Americana Decor Home Decor program. We have satin enamels, chalky finish, color stain, metallics, and outdoor living. I've used all of these paints. They are wonderful. I hope you guys enjoyed the new DecoArt 2018 products. For more information, head over to decoart.to.